over here. What are you wearing, Alex? Show me what you got.
Okay, after put her shoes
on. Ooh. Nice. You gonna just show me a little round off in your new leotard? Or a cartwheel or whatever you want to do? Or a handstand?
Mommy, look.
Woo!
Mom.
Cute, Lise. She looks just like you.
We're twins.
You are twins. Her name's Lisa and you're Lisa?
Oh, but almost Dad.
Yeah.
Lisa.
Nice. I'm watching, Beth.
Can I try? No.
Beth, can you give Alex a turn?